Silver supply completely drained. Dealers in a panic. This metal that we accumulate, even rounds. Here's a 10-ounce bar from Money Metals. Even look, here's a half ounce. This is another cool half ounce from Money Metals. As 2025 rolls out and the value of silver shows itself, this is going to become the new ounce, this half ounce. Just as gold is so out of reach, what's playing out for silver is telling us that this metal is set to be completely out of reach for you and I as stackers. Now, just look at this chart. This is from Invez.com, and you see right there, silver prices have risen sharply in 24 and first quarter of 25. Now, look at this chart. You see that total supply 1,003 compared to demand 1,219. We're talking about millions of ounces when we look at these numbers. The supply, it's just not there. And this is the 5th year running that we're experiencing this. That's 5 years expecting this metal to somehow defy economics. Right? Basic economics shows that when the supply is down and the demand is increasing, that value goes up. The price goes up. That's basic economics. And that's what we're experiencing. I mean, for silver stackers, we are really going to lose our shirt when we try to accumulate more of this metal. That's what we're seeing play out here right in front of us in 2025. Because this present spot price that we're so frustrated about, what, 33 at best, $34 an ounce, that is, presently it's within reach. But all of the moving pieces that impact the price of silver, not even economic uncertainty, just uncertainty in general across the board. Everyone is feeling anxious about their jobs. They're feeling completely uncertain. That always gives a boost to metals. People move from whatever risk they were taking. They move their funds from those risky endeavors and they go into the safe haven of metals. We have China in a trade war with the U.S. China, the country that relies on silver more than any other country we could think of, because they're just determined to be the top of EV, the top of solar. That's what they want. So they really are in on silver. We even have, in the past 12 months, we've seen Russia add silver to its reserves. So this metal is in high demand for a metal that in which there's not enough. 5 years running, we have a deficit in silver. 5 years running. And that's from the Conservative Institute, the Silver Institute, the very conservative numbers. Many analysts feel that that those numbers are very low because there's a lot of private companies that the Silver Institute does not survey when they look at those numbers. Oh, look, I got my maple. Very cool. So this shows us that silver is really, at the top of this video, I joked that this is going to be the new ounce, right? A half ounce like this. So Money Metals, half ounce. That's how we feel for gold. A half ounce of gold now is what we used to feel for a full ounce. And that happened really quickly. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this contest. It's a lot of fun. Get yourself that silver. Your name should be next as the winner. Every month they're doing this. Click that link and I'll see you guys on the next one.